Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the kitchen and tap the oven to begin a new cupcake session in the updated Toca Boca layout. The new UI places tools along the bottom. Choose a base flavor by dragging one of 6 batter jars into the mixing bowl, then add a measuring scoop of sugar or honey for sweeter results. Use the whisk tool for about 30 seconds until the batter shows bubbles and a smooth texture, watching the meter that appears above the bowl for ideal consistency. Scoop batter into 6 cupcake liners using the new one-tap portioner for even sizes. You can adjust portions by tapping plus or minus. Slide the tray into the oven and set the bake time using the digital dial. 2 minutes 30 seconds usually yields a soft crumb in the game. When done, remove with the mitt, let cool for 10 seconds, then apply frosting with the squeeze bottle. Add up to 5 toppings such as sprinkles, fruit slices, or candy pieces for final flair. Tap the camera icon to save a snapshot to your game gallery or share it through the in-game gallery, making a simple portfolio of creations. Use the Remix button to copy a cupcake recipe into your recipe book for future use and rename the recipe with a short title. Experiment with 3 frost styles: swirl, flat, and rosette, and rotate toppings by dragging them around the cupcake to create unique looks. Try combining textures and colors for playful, photo-ready results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.